スポーツ性能、快適性、安心感の実現を開発の柱としました。Eクラッチテクノロジーは初心者から上級者までどんなレベルのライダーでもバイクにおける体験のレベルを向上させることができます。
ライダーにさらなる自由を提供するためにマニュアルトランスミッションを進化させ Eクラッチを開発しました。
Having the e-clutch in the city makes the riding a lot easier. No lever operation is required when stopping at the red light, for example. You don't have to pull anything in and shift gears smoothly, and it makes the riding a lot more enjoyable. I feel a lot more in control when doing a tight turn in the city, because you don't have to think about anything else than the riding experience. Riding in the city with the e-clutch is effortless.
これは E クラッチの大きな特徴です。ライダーはいつでもレバーを握るだけで通常のクラッチ操作ができます。
Riding on open fun roads is a lot more enjoyable with e-clutch. You can focus on where you're going and not have to worry about the clutch control. Precise gear changes, the rider gets a truly sporty performance. The E-clutch will improve any rider's ability, from a beginner to the advanced riders. Honda E-clutch, next level riding.